Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to install or configure Webmaster Tools with WordPress website. So for that we have to go to the Google Chrome first, and then we have to log in our website, dashboard of WordPress. Your website name /wp-admin. So enter the username and the password. So here we are on our WordPress dashboard, and on the next tab we have to open Webmaster Tools. It is also known as Search Console. So here we are, and we have to sign in our Google account. Click on the Start Now button, and then we have to enter our IT which we want to use here. Enter the password. Okay. So currently we are on the dashboard of Search Console. So here are two options available. That is the domain name and URL prefix. So for that we have to use URL prefix option, and we have to mention our website. Then press on the continue button. Okay, so here various options from which you can add or configure it to your website. So we have to take this one, HTML tag, copy this meta tag, click on the copy button, and it is copied to the clipboard. Then we have to go to the dashboard of WordPress. Here we have to go to the plugin, add new. We have to find header and footer plugin. Okay, so we have to install this one, insert headers and footer. Click on the install now button. Click on the activate. Okay, then we have to go to the settings button and click on insert headers and footer, and paste that meta code here in the scripts in header area like this. Click on the save button, and then go to search console again. Scroll down. As we have taken this HTML tag, so we have to verify the property from here only. Okay, so our ownership is verified. So now we can go to the property. Now it will show all your website data here on the Webmaster after some time.